In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Vercel domain name. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. So let's get started and make sure you have everything set up correctly. First things first, you'll need to open your Vercel dashboard. Once there, navigate to the specific project where you wish to change the domain name. It's crucial to make sure you're in the right project to avoid any unwanted changes to other setups. You can usually find your project in the Overview section, where all your deployed projects are listed. Next, head over to the Settings tab, which you can typically find on the left side of your dashboard. From there, you'll see a section labeled Domains. Click on that, and it will take you to a page dedicated to managing your domain settings. This is where you will make all necessary changes to your domain configuration. Here's the part where we add your new domain, whether it's an Apex domain like example.com or a subdomain such as blog.example.com. On the Domains page, find and click the Add button. You're going to see a field where you can enter your desired domain name. Carefully type in your new domain. Make sure there are no typos, because an incorrect domain could lead to accessibility issues later on. Once you've entered the new domain, proceed by confirming your entry. After that, Vercel will prompt you to verify the domain to ensure you actually own it or have administrative privileges. Now let's talk about verifying that domain. If you're using an Apex domain such as example.com, you will need to add an A record to your DNS settings. This is crucial because an A record maps your domain name to an IP address, which links your domain to your project on Vercel. Generally, you'll need to log into your domain registrar, like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and find the DNS settings to add this record. Follow your registrar's instructions for adding an A record with the values provided by Vercel. If you've opted for a subdomain like blog.example.com, you'll instead need to add a CNAME record. A CNAME record essentially points your subdomain to the domain defined in your Vercel settings. Again, you'll head over to your domain registrar to make this change in the DNS settings. And there you have it. With the verification complete, your Vercel project should now have its new domain fully functioning. Monitor your project over the next few hours to ensure that the domain update has propagated successfully and your site is accessible through its new address. By managing these steps carefully, you ensure your Vercel-hosted project smoothly transitions to its new domain. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through changing your Vercel domain name.